Hello everyone, Archana here, coming to you with another beautiful kit. It is perfect for spring and they have other different colors which are also perfect for other seasons. So I will show you what's included in this kit. So first of all, as always, I will show you the papers. So as you all know, the Stamperia came up with two beautiful collections. So one of them is a garden. I'm including this full paper pad in this kit, and quickly we'll check what's inside. You can see the cover. It is already gorgeous, very much springy. I love this balcony a lot. So it opens like a book. So first page is white, the back side is white, so you can cut all these images. These are really good size images, so you can fussy cut them. And then this page, so pretty. It is kind of shabby as well. These colors goes perfect with each other, like pink and this mint green color. They are very popular. And these are double-sided papers, so the back side is like this. And there are 4 seasons here. Very cute page. Very beautiful images. They are big and bold images, so feel free to fussy cut them. And back side is like that, which has a journaling spot, so you can write some memories for every season. And this one is kind of collage page, very pretty. And this one, very cute. Love these colors so much. And this one, I love this wagon. And backside is like that. And tags, since it's a garden theme, lot of beautiful images are here. Backside is this ombre pinkish color. And my favorite page is this one. I love this page since these images are really big and bold with lots of patterned images, and you can easily fussy cut them. And birds are here, so cute, very pretty. And backside is another yummiest page with small tiny flowers. And this one, it is kind of mosaic tile effect. Lot of images on each block. So if you make smaller embellishments, this page is perfect. And backside is this one, very pretty bluish brownish grain wood effect, and they did some polka dot effects as well, you can see, and it is really interesting looking page. And this one has all the music notes and watering can and lots of images from the garden. This page has a sage green color. I love this page too, so pretty. And this one has this bicycle, gorgeous bicycle. And backside has this really cute window balcony with flower bouquets on top. Can see, super cute. And this one has a calendar, and backside is plain. And this page is white and lots of images here. You can even use those too. I don't waste anything, I can use these ones too. So anyway, this full paper pad included in this kit, and they are 10 double-sided 12 by 12 papers by Stamperia. And now I'll show you this thing. So I'm showing you these two punch outs, and they are not pre-cut, you know. They says it's punch outs, you have to fussy cut them, but they are very easy to cut. So it's springtime punch outs, cute. Sorry for the glare. And another one, and backside is white, and another one is this one. Beautiful colors and perfect for springtime. So these two are included. And then I will show you this cute little bicycle, and this image inspired me to get this bicycle. So you can see, beautiful, right? So this is the die, so bicycle die, which is included in this kit. And in a resin pieces, I have this one for you, which is Scrapberries, this French Journey resin collection. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this bench and watering can. Since this kit has so many watering cans and a bird, so this is perfect. And then this one, so this is from Trinket Parlor. Very pretty, cute image, and it's a resin piece. It is almost 2 inches by 1 inch. And then one more shabby chic element is here, which is this Prima sink. You can see, and some of the kit has this chrome colored sink and some of them has just the white colored, so you will never know what you will get, but you are getting one of the sink, and both are equally beautiful. You can see they are garden sink. And then I will show you this cute delicate frame. It is a chipboard piece, so which has these ivies and berries. This one is here. And then I have added this Prima choker, so you will get one of the matching choker, not like whatever I'm showing, but matching with the kit for sure. And then you are getting these cute little tags which says handmade on it. Cute. So 4 of them in 4 different colors. These colors are in this paper pad. Then I have a couple of metal charms for you. This is not charm, but this is a big leaf. It is really big. And this bird cage, cute little bird cage. So this one is here. And then I will show you some of the flowers I have included. Without flower, this kit will not at all complete. So I have added these red roses, these 10 of each in really cute red. This red is in this kit. Actually, this is very rusty red color and white color. So these are Wild Orchid Craft Sweet Blossom flowers, so 10 of each. And then another Wild Orchid Craft flowers, these teeny tiny filler flowers. Since this color is more in this collection, I have added 20 pieces of these cute little filler flowers by Wild Orchid Craft, and these are also in two-tone blue color, and these are 10 of each. And then I have added Wild Orchid Craft teeny tiny two-tone 10 of rose leaves, and these are 4 mm rose birds, 10 of them. And then I have some asters in purple, two-tone purple color, and I do have 10 of these small little flowers. Oh, I'm sorry, these are 20 actually, total 20, these two-tone. So these are here, so 20 of each in this color. And then I do have 10 of these so cute, and these are the 10 of single petal flowers, cute. Since this collection is so delicate, it has super cute small flowers and everything, so I mostly added smaller flowers here. I have added 5 of these stems which has a leaf, a cute little long leaf, a little bird and a flower. So this one stem has a 3-piece, and I have added 5 of them in this kit. And I have added 2 of these white large flowers. I have added couple of laces. So this one 18 inches and this one is also 18 inches. And then 18 inches of this pearl. And I have added 4 of the seam bindings, and I'll show you the page real quick so you can see this page. And I have added 4 of the seam bindings, so you can see super duper match with this page. So all 4 colors are here. I'm so happy with this, and seam bindings are always useful and they are always in my every kit for sure. So this is the kit I have created for you. I hope you will like it in person, and thank you so much for watching. And I also uploaded a video for my giveaway. I had the slideshow. I couldn't make my video like live video, but you can check all the information in details, and I have the link of that giveaway video here. You can see somewhere here on the screen as well. So please enter, and I wish you the best. Thank you so much for watching, and purchase link for this kit is in the description box below. And I know kits are selling so fast, so if you really want to purchase, please check it out right now. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.